Good morning. Doing my little T-Talk review. This morning I'm going to be doing a review on the Vortex Viper HD 3000 laser rangefinder. Bought this back in May from the Northern Shooting Show from Optics Warehouse. I think they had a 10 or 12% deal on the day, so I picked up for $330, I think, $340, which I think you can get now for sort of $360. Used it a fair bit on long range days, so whilst I have a cup of tea, we're going to get into the nuts and bolts of it and have a look at how it works. Right, hands on with the Viper 3000 HD. So a little bit of info on the specs: 7 times magnification, 25mm objective lens, range up to 3,000 yards, trees 2,300, deer 2,000, minimum range 6 yards. The eye relief 15.5mm, overall length 4.2, weight 9.1 ounces. So some of the main features of it: HD optical system, XR plus lens coatings, much like a lot of their rifle scopes, armour tech, exterior rubber armour, waterproof and shockproof. Comes with a carry case with a bungee clip, also has a pocket clip, and it also has a neck strap that comes with it, and there's a tripod thread in the base. Takes CR123 batteries, load in through there, flip that up, unscrew it. I tend to leave the battery out when I'm not using it. Serial number there, obviously covered by Vortex's VIP lifetime warranty, which is always handy. Main features: so it has the HCD horizontal component distance, which calculates distance based on the angle. So I find this handy for quick elevation adjustment. So if you're in the field, say you're hunting and you need to just get a quick elevation, you can do that and it will give you your true distance to target. It also has the line of sight, which is a straight line distance, which I also use when I'm long range target shooting, because it allows you to give your direct line to the target, and then I enter my angle of shot into the ballistic app and let the software calculate the rest. Vortex recommend that for accurate wind reading, use the LOS, as you need to know how far the bullet is travelling in the air. In LOS mode, it will display the angle as well. It has an ELR mode for extra long range or extreme long range. This takes slightly longer to laser the target, so if you're looking for a quick distance, I'd recommend just using the HCD or just this normal mode. But ELR, it's used for smaller, less reflective targets at long range. I have had this laser target just over 3,000 yards at the back of the house as a farm, and I've measured it on Google Earth, and it came in pretty much plus or minus, I think, 5 to 10 yards, I think. Depending on which part of the house I was actually getting a reading from. You can also scan by holding down the measure button. Okay, just there. It's got a menu button there, really easy to use. Scan through things like display brightness, whether you're using meters or yards. You can change your first, last, or ELR or line of sight. So first is when you've got, say, an animal that's in front of some trees, it will take the distance of the animal, and then if you've got an animal again behind some trees, it will take the animal rather than the trees. So it's struggling a little bit just because we're doing through a window, I think. We were shooting in that field a few weeks ago, doing some pigeon shooting. There we go. So, final thought. Great bit of kit, good rangefinder. It's proved it's earned its money. The only downside I have about it is it seems to be the battery life, and this seems to be something that I've heard other people mention. I ended up buying sort of a bulk load from Amazon Basics CR123 batteries, which I think I've probably gone with. This is on my second battery now, and it's not had extensive use. So it's something I need to I'm going to time next time how many times I can laser target, and then how quickly the battery dies. Might be something I might update on this video at some point. But yeah, good bit of kit. I think I'm quite enjoying these sort of tea time little reviews. I've got a new bipod coming today, hopefully, so I'll unpackage that and get a good look at it and put a review up of that. And I'll do a few other bits. But I'm quite enjoying a tea time review with my mug, and obviously, you're going to need a bigger boat.